So this is the system Woodman has launched recently, which comes with front and back dash camera. So this is the camera, this is the back view, and this is the front view. And I'll show you the placement of front camera. Here it is. Front camera is installed here on the front windshield, and back camera is installed on the number plate of reverse.
And it will also stop.
And once you put the reverse gear, it will automatically show you the back view. Lines will also come, but these lines won't move. This is just for the car measurement, so you can park it easily. Even if you are on the home screen, you will just have to put the reverse gear and automatically the camera will start like this. See, this is the reverse view. So it's very simple.
And you can see front and back anytime.
And you can simply visit this particular app. You have to tap, and both views you can view. On top left corner there is the reverse view.
Even when car is running.
Even when car is on the go, both cameras can do the recording as well. And the quality is top notch. Now we are on the home screen of the system. We'll show you some features. This is the Amazon Prime Video. So guys, you can watch multiple OTT apps. Like currently I am using Amazon Prime Video to watch latest season of Mirzapur on my car stereo. So you can also do that, guys, on the go. And it also supports multiple OTT apps like Hotstar, Netflix, Jio Cinemas. You can also watch cricket. You can also watch YouTube. You can also do split screen.
This is the Play Store from here.
This is the Play Store of the system. You can simply download the apps from here. Like this is the Jio Cinema. So you can simply download it and use it for IPL. And
picture in picture.
This is the picture in picture you are currently viewing. You can simply tap on it. It will enlarge. And you can simply tap on the home button. You will be on the main screen. And from here you can play the music. The sound output of this system is also very good. And now I'll show you the equalizer settings. So from here there are multiple options you can select the one as per your need and requirement. Surround sound effect is also there. There are multiple equalizer settings as well. So all in all, it comes with a feature loaded system. Now I'll show you the split screen function. First I'll show you the maps. So it also runs Google Maps. So you just have to
navigate me to watch cars.
So you can also use Google Voice Assistant. Simply give him the command and he'll take it. So here are some settings we need to done since it's a new system. So like this, the navigation has started.
Head northwest on road number 18.
You can also see it's a 4GB RAM system with 4GB RAM DDR4 variant. So and this is the split screen function. On one side of the car, on the right side of the screen, it's the map, and on the left side it's Amazon Prime Video, where we are seeing Mirzapur season 3, the latest one. So you can do multiple things like split screen, music, maps, music, videos, anything you can do. And it's full touch panel. There isn't any physical button. There are these tap buttons only. which will come once you slide it upwards. And if you will watch any OTT series on this thing, you will get a theater-like feeling that you are sitting in a theater and watching this particular series.
Works with steering buttons.
And steering buttons are also compatible with it. Your car steering buttons will work.
Super. थोड़ी ताकत मिलेगी.
This is Woodman UI.
This is the Woodman unique UI, Kamla launcher, and you can simply select multiple theme options are there, multiple logos are there. You can select your car one or whichever you want to go with. For example, mine says Creta, so I have put on the Hyundai logo. You can also put this compass in the center. Now we will also show you the theme editor, the colors you can change, the brightness of the screen, the colors, the themes. For example, we did green and now the headings are coming in green version only. So every aspect you can change.
And day and night option is it?
Day and night option is also there for this screen brightness as well, so that at night time it won't be that much bright, it won't hurt your eyes. See, you can also put a theme like this. Multiple theme options are there, you can select from there itself whichever suits you. Now we'll show you the YouTube. Guys, this particular model comes with 4 GB of DDR4 version RAM with 32 GB of storage and 1.6 GHz of Octa-Core Processor. So all in all, it's a lag-free, totally lag-free system. You can yourself see how many apps we are running simultaneously, and the speed is very fast. It is functioning very good. There isn't any hang or any lag in it. So now on YouTube we have started this video of our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi chatting with our winners of T20 World Cup. So whatever video or content you watch on the go in your car, it feels like you are sitting in theater because the speakers are also pretty good. And whatever speakers you are using currently in your car, the system will enhance and improve the sound output of your car. Now this is the real RAM of the system. It's 4 GB, out of which 1.1 is currently available, because since we are doing multiple tasks on it, a lot of apps are open, so that has consumed approximately 2.5 GB or 3 GB of RAM. Like this also, multiple split screen function. On right side maps is there, and on left side YouTube is working. And now we will show you the genuinity of this system. So guys, as I've told you, now we'll show you the genuinity of the system. So simply you'll have to tap the app, and we have downloaded this particular app, Fake Device Test. You can also do it on your device, be it Woodman or any other brand, to check how genuine the systems are. So here since it's a 2K display, so the screen resolution, as I have also mentioned earlier, it's 2000 into 1200 pixels, and operating system is it's Android 10 version. Then if you will go down, it's passed, Android version check passed, app level feature test passed, and then internal storage of the system, as I have told you earlier also, it's 32 GB, out of which 8 GB is taken by the system, and rest lot of apps are already installed. We have already installed a lot of apps. So currently the free space is 21.7 GB, approximately 22 GB. Now we come on the main aspect of the system. It's Octa-Core Processor. CPU core count is there, 8 cores. And last not the least, the most important feature is RAM. As I have told you earlier, it's 4 GB RAM, DDR4 version. So here it is shown 3.96 GB of total RAM, out of which 1.17 GB is currently free. The rest is occupied by the lot of tasks we are using currently. This much tasks are running on our system, and still the system is working fine, and it's very smooth like butter. And you can also check the fitting of the system. It's properly fit. The screen quality is amazing. The sound output is brilliant. Lot of features and settings are there, so you can customize it as per your need. So all in all, it's a steal deal, guys. It also comes with a 4G SIM slot for direct and fast internet connectivity. This is the SIM slot. It will be inside your glove box, so you can simply insert and take out the SIM whenever you feel like it. So it will provide direct internet connectivity to your system, which will result in fast internet speed to your system. So this is one of the UI option. You can simply put the whichever song you are listening to, the thumbnail of that song you can put in the center of the screen.
Like we are changing the music here.
You can simply tap on that particular icon and you can go to your playlist and change music from there. It's basically like a speed dial thing on the stereo. Whichever app you want to access on the go, you can simply put it over there and tap on it. Any app you can put it over there. Multiple options are there. Like this. It's so easy to use and the functioning is so buttery smooth.
So like we have changed the music here, icon will automatically change it.
Like this. It will also not only it will help you in navigating, not only it will help you while driving, it will also give you a cool look to your car. So guys, in my aspect, it's a steal deal. Everything, it's a feature loaded product. You should definitely go with it. It's way too better as compared to the OEM system or be it any other aftermarket system from local brands. There is no comparison at all.
No distraction.
So this is no disturbance mode. You can simply tap on that particular button and it will all go black. It's basically for when you are driving late at night. You don't want any brightness to affect your driving. So you can simply tap this button and the whole screen will go black. Only time will show and the song will keep on playing in the background. So I hope you will like this video and I hope I have mentioned all the features, aspects and all your doubts will be cleared after watching these videos. Thank you guys.